Hi everyone, this is Akshita here from Akshita's Recipes. Well, today I'll be showing you how to make a very simple khichdi from moong dal and rice. A very easy to make and a very healthy recipe. So let's get started. Now for our khichdi, I've taken 1 cup of rice to half a cup of moong dal. You can reduce it to quarter too. Now we're going to wash this under running water thrice and soak it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Now in our ingredients we require some mustard seeds or mohori, some asafoetida or hing, some cumin or jeera, some turmeric or haldi powder, some red chili powder, some goda masala, some jaggery or gur, some fresh curry leaves, and just 2 cloves of garlic, some ghee or clarified butter or toop, some water, and our rice and moong dal. We're going to use a pressure pan. So first we're going to heat our pressure pan, then add some clarified butter or toop. I'm adding about 1.5 tablespoon. Now once our ghee or our toop is nice and hot, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds or mohori or rye. Let them splutter. Now goes in our jeera or cumin seeds, about 1 teaspoon. Next goes in our hing or asafoetida, half a teaspoon, followed by half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Then goes in our garlic cloves. This is optional, but I like the flavor. And some fresh and washed curry leaves. I've taken about 7 to 8. I love the flavor of curry leaves in the khichdi. Give all of this a mix. Now drain out all the water from our dal and rice and add it to the bagar. Give it a good mix. Again, this has to be cooked from low to medium flame. And now we're going to add at least about 2 cups of water to this. Room temperature water. And then we're going to pressure cook this 1 whistle on high, and then lower your flame and simmer it for about 5 to 10 minutes. This khichdi goes really very well with some mango pickle, some curd or dahi. Of course, salt. Please add some salt to taste. Some red chili powder. I'm adding about half a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of goda masala. This is easily available in stores. And your gur or jaggery. This is a very easy to make recipe and very healthy too. So we'll cook it on 1 whistle on high and then simmer it for 5 to 10 minutes. And now, after our pressure pan has completely cooled down, you can see that our khichdi is all ready. Here I like to add just about 1 teaspoon of clarified butter. So I hope you'll like this recipe. Garnish it with some coriander and some coconut, which is optional. And here is our moong dal khichdi all ready. Thanks for watching, friends. See you in another video. Bye. Please do give this video a big like. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell icon for updates. Visit my channel for more than 140 recipes. And thanks for watching. Bye. See you in another video.